Okay, I went ahead and decided to do one last video, just so you could see the completed work. And in between my 2x4 slats of wood, you can see that I have installed the balsa wood. That's what that wood is called. It's real wood. It's cut very thinly, like I said in the last video. You can get it as thin as a 1/16 of an inch. This, I think, is closer maybe to 1/4 of an inch. And I just used standard carpenter's glue for the balsa wood. But I used Titebond to secure my 2x4 blocks. But this is what it looks like. As you can see, I don't really have gaps in between my slats of wood. Any gaps that I do have are so small, they're not even 1/8 of an inch. They just look a lot larger on camera. And I went ahead and I used some 2.5 inch wood screws because I needed to come in on this side of my 2x6, and I had to install my wood screws, to cut through the 2x6 and make its way here into this block. I wanted to make absolutely certain that the wall on the other side will not go anywhere. And I'm done, except for the cleanup. Got some cleanup. Need to get that old shop vac and clean some things up, and let's walk around to the other side. Look, you can see my construction site. Oh, isn't that exciting? What a mess. I'm getting there. Okay, so now we're on the other side of the wall. Again, you can see some light peeking through, but it's done. It's done. I have stabilized a 9-foot wall in my house, and this sucker's not going anywhere. Isn't that fantastic? So praise God. Yay. Anyhow, thank you guys so much for following me along on this journey. I really do believe that my idea is going to help a lot of people who might find themselves in this very situation. So thank you so much for taking time out of your busy day to watch my videos. I hope you have enjoyed them, and I thank you so much for your comments and for your views. Don't know if I'll put out any other videos on anything else I'm doing in the house. I may not, but again, this one I feel was very important because I couldn't find anything on YouTube or any other do-it-yourselfer website with videos showing exactly how to handle a situation like this when you've got a wall that has not been stabilized to a wood beam in your home. And obviously I've got to go ahead and patch up the wall that I had to break into, but that's easy peasy, guys. I certainly don't need to do a video on that. You can find lots of videos on how to tape and mud gigantic holes in your wall. Anyhow, thanks again so much for watching. You guys take care. Bye-bye.